VLC media player versus PotPlayer. Which media player is better? Choosing the right media player can completely change how you watch videos and listen to music without frustrating glitches or compatibility issues. Both players offer unique features and performance. VLC Media Player and PotPlayer are two popular media players known for their versatility. The core difference lies in VLC's open source, cross-platform simplicity versus PotPlayer's advanced customization and hardware acceleration, making each suited for different user needs. VLC Media Player is a free open source media player developed by the Videoland project. It supports nearly every audio and video format without needing additional codecs, making it highly versatile. VLC works by decoding media files using built-in libraries, allowing smooth playback across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Its strengths include a simple interface, stability, and extensive format support. It also offers streaming capabilities and subtitle synchronization. However, VLC's user interface is basic and it lacks some advanced features like deep hardware acceleration or extensive video filters. This makes it ideal for users who want a reliable, straightforward player that just works on any device without fuss. Beginners and those who prefer open source software will appreciate VLC's clean design and consistent performance. PotPlayer is a free media player developed by Kakao, primarily for Windows. It excels with its highly customizable interface and powerful playback engine that supports a wide range of formats. PotPlayer leverages hardware acceleration extensively, delivering smooth video playback even for high-resolution files. It offers advanced features like 3D video support, scene previews, and detailed video and audio filters. PotPlayer also allows users to tweak playback settings deeply, from color correction to audio equalization. Its limitations include being Windows-only and occasionally overwhelming for casual users due to its complex settings. PotPlayer suits power users and enthusiasts who want maximum control over their media experience and superior performance on Windows machines. Comparing VLC and PotPlayer, VLC shines with its universal compatibility and ease of use across platforms, perfect for users needing a reliable player without setup hassle. In contrast, PotPlayer offers superior performance on Windows with advanced features and customization, ideal for users who want to fine-tune playback and use hardware acceleration for demanding content. VLC's simplicity comes at the cost of fewer advanced options, while PotPlayer's depth can be intimidating for beginners. For streaming or casual playback on multiple devices, VLC is often the better choice. For high-performance local playback and detailed control on Windows, PotPlayer stands out. The trade-off is between cross-platform flexibility and Windows-optimized power. Choose VLC Media Player if you want a stable, easy-to-use, and cross-platform media player that supports virtually all formats without complex setup. Opt for PotPlayer if you use Windows and prefer advanced customization, hardware acceleration, and extensive playback features. Both players excel in their areas, so pick the one that fits your specific media needs and enjoy seamless video and audio experiences.